What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is all about Apple and their foldable phone, similar to what we get with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And we've talked about this before, and we're getting more information about it in terms of when and just more evidence, I guess, that it's going to come out. This information is coming from an analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, who's a big name in the Apple community of leaks and rumors, saying that Apple's going to launch an 8-inch foldable iPhone in 2023 with an 8-inch QHD Plus flexible OLED display. Now, they said based on the latest industry survey, we forecast that Apple will likely launch a foldable iPhone with an 8-inch QHD Plus flexible OLED display in 2023 with STC as the exclusive display supplier and Samsung Foundry as the exclusive DDI foundry provider. Based on Apple's requested capacity plan, we predict that the foldable iPhone shipments will reach 15 to 20 million in 2023. We expect that the foldable iPhone will adopt TPK's silver nanowire touch solution because of its several advantages over STC's Y-Octa technology. This is going to be huge, mark my words, if Apple truly comes out with a foldable smartphone that's like this. They're gonna blow the market away. And I say that because, first of all, especially in America, iPhones are hugely popular. When I pull out my Galaxy Z Fold to pay for something or show a coupon or like a QR code on there or something, or just to look at my phone, and I'm at a store, especially lately, it is crazy the amount of times people are like, wow, what phone is that? That is awesome. That is like a small tablet in your hands. That is like amazing. So if Apple does this, you can bet without a shadow of a doubt, it will probably be one of the top selling phones of that year. Mark my words, guys, it's gonna be huge. Speaking of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, we've spoken about the colors, but there seems to be even more colors that are going to be coming out for both of those phones. Let's check this out. Now, I guess originally this was leaked out by another leaker in the community, Tron, and I'll show you can see right here, but I'm gonna also ultimately rock with Ross Young's tweet just because it's a little bit more in depth. So Z Flip 3 will actually have 8 colors: beige, black, dark blue, gray, green, light pink, light violet, and white. 4 colors will get most of the volume though. Production starts in early July, meaning that the release date for the Z Flip 3 should be in August of 2021. The 4 colors for the Z Fold 3 are beige, black, green, and silver. Production also starts in July, and again, you should probably see a release date of August, again, August 2021 for the Z Fold 3. Those colors, especially on the Z Flip 3, are a crazy amount of colors. What's your favorite color of both of those? Let me know in the comments. Running along with this Galaxy Z Fold 3 moniker and, just overall theme of this show, what about some information that we talked about yesterday? There was some leaked materials, marketing materials for the Z Fold 3. One of them showed this. I couldn't read this because it's so blurry, but ultimately it says that, smack dab on that screen, it says that there is 120 hertz inside and out. So that means on the inside display and on the outside display that it's going to have 120 hertz. And also you're gonna see under display camera on the main display, S Pen compatibility, and it's going to be lighter and thinner. And just taking a look at this from Ben Geskin, this is his creation based off what we saw yesterday, and he makes fantastic renders of phones. And when you see the phone on the back side, it looks kind of similar. Obviously the camera module is smaller, and you still get that skinny long display on the front of it, which I'm not a huge fan of. I wish they really need to make that thing larger and get rid of the bezel. The bezel's just way too big on there. But when you look at this huge Giants display on the inside with no camera hole and just all display all the way around and the S Pen right next to it, it looks amazing. I'm very excited about this. This is the phone that again, is gonna blow me away. I'm hoping it's gonna have some, and for me, it definitely has enough to want an upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade regardless, but there's enough there, the 120 hertz inside and out, lighter and thinner, the under display camera, faster processor, hopefully better cameras. There's rumors that the cameras are just gonna be 12 megapixels across the board, but hopefully they'll still be better overall, you would think, than what we have with the Z Fold 2. But what do you guys think about all this? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.